Hey, it's Anissa, and I have an amazing new product from Conair. It's the 2-in-1 travel iron. It's a traditional hair iron, so it's great for straightening that hair. But get this, when you remove this guard, it becomes a regular clothes iron. Now you notice that the surface area isn't that large, but it actually gets out wrinkles amazingly well. And when you're traveling, hey, a lot of places like cruise ships don't allow you to have an iron. Well, who wants to carry an iron anyways? But this is legal and gets the job done. Now it's very easy to use. When you want to use it for your hair, you just switch it to the hair mode. Or when you want to use it for any clothing, you just switch it to the garment. And you just wait for it to heat up. Now this has a ton of safety features. First, the hair straightener won't work if the safety guard isn't on, and then the clothes iron will not work if you don't have it in the lock position. Plus, this is ETL certified for safety and compliance. Now this is from Conair, a brand you know and trust, and our price is amazing. Now we don't have a lot of these, so make sure you head on over to the site and grab one today.